I'm Ben with Buren Fire. We're going to do a walkthrough with you guys of engine 29 here at Station 29. This is engine 29. This is our pump panel. This is where all of our levers are to control all of our hoses, to tell where the water goes. This truck carries 1,500 gallons of water. The tank is behind all of these cabinets here in the middle of the truck. All of our tools and everything we need to hook up, whatever we need to hook up to. Here we have our air packs. This is what we wear when we go into a fire to help us breathe, keep us safe. Over here is fire extinguishers for small fires, stuff we don't really need to pull a hose for. This is a fan, positive pressure fan for getting smoke out of houses and gases, whatever else we need to get out of a place we can. And up top is where the rest of our hose is, where the big 5-inch hose and everything else is. So our trucks are yellow and black because back in 1970 when we purchased our first apparatus, it was on a school bus chassis, so it was yellow and it stuck. We like it for visibility on the airport, and that's how all of our trucks, we buy our trucks now. So. Okay. I'm going to show you guys how to turn the lights and the sirens on. So this switch right here turns all of our lights on, and then this one here turns the siren on.